Hey there, in this video of CorelDraw, I'm going to introduce you to the tools of CorelDraw and a little bit more than basic of CorelDraw of about what you should know before using or creating or doing some work you're going to do in CorelDraw phase. Okay, so on the left side of your screen is your toolbar right here, which contains all your toolbar, and right here on the top is your property bar. So in previous video I told you about all the tools and about the names, and in this video I'm going to show you what those tools are used to do. Okay, so right here is the first basic thing is I'm going to tell you about is the shape tool. So basically this is used to change the shape of a circle, of a box, of a rectangle, or anything. For example, I'm selecting this rectangle tool and I made a rectangle right here. So if I select this and pinch it right here, the edges of the box will turn into curves right here. The more I drag this, the more the more the curve are prominent right here. So if you want to change the shape of the box, first press Ctrl Z for undo where it was before. Yes, like this with edges. Now right click on the box and select convert to curves. Now select the shape tool and double tap on right here in the center of the line. Now select this and drag it right here. Now this is a node of these lines between these two nodes. These are the nodes. If you want to change the shape of the box, you need to change the nodes. You see now now as you can see, the nodes are used right now not to change the uh, edges into curves, but it is being used to change the shape of the box like this. Now if you want to make it a circle, you can also make right this. If you see, if I drag this right here, it's a complete edge in a complete square. Now if I select this and if I come here right here, convert to curve, or right click right here to curve, I'm going to select this to curve. You see these two lines, arrows right here, end of the arrows like this, and now you can change these into curves. If I select this node, I cannot do this right here and make any curves like this right here anywhere. I cannot. But if I convert this into curve, I can change this straight lines into curves. Now if you want to make it back to the line, straight line with not no and without curves, select this and select convert to line. Now it's straight back to line. Okay, right here is the crop tool, which is used to remove the areas outside the selection. For example, if I have a box right here and two boxes right here and a circle right here, and I want to remove all this, I'm going to select this and I'm going to press delete. Now it just deleted that box right there. It only erases the recent box like this. It's gone. Press delete and it's gone. Okay, right here this is your zoom tool, which if you select this, right click to zoom out and left click to zoom in. Now if you want to zoom in a certain part of the area, just select and drag and like this. If you want to zoom in on one of the nodes, you can select this right here. If you want to zoom in further, select this. Okay, back to the cursor key. Now this is a freehand tool which is used to draw straight lines or different lines. Okay, I'm going to select a 2-point line. Now if you want to draw a straight line, just press Ctrl key and select the line, make it to further anywhere you want. Now if I leave the Control key like this, so it will not be a straight line, it is going anywhere. I'm taking the cursor, press, you see right there, press Control again, it is going a straight line like this. Okay, delete, and now right here is your artistic media tool. You select it and you just draw it like here, like this, and it will act as a calligraphic effect or by spraying or brush effect. like this. Press delete. Right here is a box tool, rectangle tool, circle tool I told you, and this is shape tool, polygon tool. You can add different shapes like a polygon, star, complex star, like this, basic shapes, arrows, or flow charts, anything you want. If you want a star, raw star. Now now you see this star has 5 corners. 1 2 3 4 5. If you want this to have more or less than 5 corners, you see at the top right here is 5. Select 6, enter. Now now this is now this star has 6 points. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You want it to have 2. Okay, 3 2. No, a star cannot have 2 points. You want to have 99. Now the star have 99 points, corners. Now we're just gonna stick with 5 right here. Okay, this is your text tool right here. If you want to type anything, you can just select CorelDraw C. Oh, type anything with this. You can increase the size or decrease the size. Also, you can also change the font of the text right here. Yes, exactly. You can change the font, any font you have installed in your system. Right here, CorelDraw. Now, right here is a horizontal or vertical dimension tool. You select it for parallel dimension, and it has different uh, points. Angular dimension means what angle you have right here. See, if you want this to be, if you want to draw a certain angle on your CorelDraw or any object, if you want to have a, yes, you can select it right here like this. Okay, now you can also have parallel dimensions like here. If you want to find the distance between 2 points, like like from this point of the star to this line, you can select here and drag to the end of this line and leave it, and now leave it. Now this right here is, zoom in on that, 9.23 inches. See, now you can just select and delete it. Right, this right here is a straight line connector tool. You use it to connect two lines like this. You see, end of the like this. Yes. Now this is a drop shadow tool. These are very different tools. You can also add counter, which means if you have text right here, you want to add counter to this text, just click counter. I use a simple way to add counter, not over there. I used to add window dockers and effect counter. See right here is one of your toolbar again, against the color palette. Counter, select the text you want to add counter to. Select here outline, outside counter or inside counter. I'm selecting outside. Change the color to yellow, pink, and how thick you want to add a counter. It's too large. Yes, like this. Or if you want to have more than one step, no, this is only one step. If you want to add 2 steps, like this. If you want to have 3 or 4 steps or 6 steps, apply. These are all 6 steps. Now we just need one step right here. Okay, apply. If you want to Now if you want to ungroup the counter from the text, you need to right click on the counter part. Make sure to right click on the counter part, not on the text part. You see, on the counter part, break counter group apart. Yes. Now if you want to move the counter, it will only move the counter and not the text. Control Z to undo, and if you didn't do that, you don't want to move apart the counter from the text, you can also do that and select, and it will also move both. Okay, Again, this is blend tool, distort, envelop, and extrude. I'll tell you about this in another video, in my next video. Please make sure to watch. And right here is a transparency tool. Right here is a transparency tool, which I have told you in one of my videos. You can either see them or to see how transparency tool works. And right here is a color pick tool. You can select color from here and put color right here like this. And this is your interactive fill tool. It fills all the color. Okay, now that's it for today. I hope you like watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and comment on what videos you want me to upload for you if you can't understand something, and I'll make sure that in one of my videos that you understand what I'm trying to teach you and show you. Okay, once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for more. Okay, thank you.